Hello everybody, welcome back. I know my posting schedule isn't the best.
Room tours, my new room. I got it like last month, but
But I have a surprise! About 2 years ago, I got a crested gecko. Gecko! Here he is. But I kind of recently found out that he is a she. So now I need your help. You. Really? Why? With what? I need you to find a new name for my female Cresty. And whichever one I like the most will be her new name. But make sure it's not something weird because I don't want her named Andrew Dingus or something. So pick something good. And happy naming! Woohoo! Yeah!